Wow.
Abomination.
Oga, good afternoon. Wow.
Get out from there before the gods strike you.
Oga, calm down. What is it?
Abomination. Hello.
I don't understand. What have I done wrong?
Walk out of this place. See that for? Where?
I'm just taking pictures of the place. I want to promote our culture. Pankegi.
Stop it.
Stop what? What is it? You don't know me from Adams. Why are you being mean, harsh on me? Why? I'm just trying to take pictures of the gods, post it on the internet, and I'm sure it's going to go viral.
Stop it.
Stop what?
Stop it.
I was just taking pictures. Look at you. You look good. I was just... Oh my God. Look at that.
Get out of here. Get out.
Okay, fine. I understand. But let me tell you something. You look amazing and very African. If I take a picture of you and post it on the internet, I bet you're going to be featured in CNN Africa.
I said get out! Get out from here!
It's not that serious.
Get out!
My name is Echezona, the professor in the profession. I'm the best photographer in the whole West Africa. I snap pictures for a living. I cover events and all of that. So when I was just passing taking pictures, I saw, and this place looks so great. Like, I just wanted to cover it, post on the internet, and make our tradition trend. That's all.
Get out from here! Okay. You are defiling the land! Get out!
Listen, would you want to trend? If I take a picture, because this is so unusual, right? If I take a picture of you like this and post on the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, I bet you will trend.
I said get out! Get out!
Listen, I charge for this, but I'm not going to charge you. I'm that nice. I like what you're putting on. Just post for me.
Say come out! Come out! You want the gods to strike you?
The gods are not human. They are not hot tempered.
The gods will strike you now!
What is wrong with your car?
Sorry.
Ha! Jesus. Oga, please stop and check what is wrong with this car before you kill me.
I'm sorry.
It's not I'm sorry. It's like you don't know who is in your car. I am the professor, a professor in my profession. Do you know who I am? Why are you doing this to me, making my journey uncomfortable? Please park the car and check what is wrong with it. I need to get out of this place. Why are you frustrating my journey? No, don't tell me you're sorry. Do not tell me. You people are very selfish. You know your car is not okay, you put it on the road. You know you don't have fuel, you put it on the road. When passenger now enters, you know you're going to buy fuel, you know you're going to... I don't understand.
Madam, I'm sorry.
I do not care about being sorry. We've been on this road for more than 3 hours now. Well, I'm sorry, take me to my destination. I don't want to lock you up. Listen, I do not want to lock you up. If I do, you will rot in jail. Oga, I'm talking to you. Yeah. I will lock you up, sir. My name is Echezona, the great photographer, professor in the profession. You don't treat me like this.
Let me check what is the problem.
You better be fast and take me out of this place. What kind of rickety car is this? Fine body, wrong engine. What rubbish.
Yeah? Oh, madam.
How
are you doing? Top of the day to you. Is Oga in?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I want to see you.
Alright. Obimo!
Oh, why are you
Come. Oga Paulinus is here. Wedding pictures are out.
Oga Paulinus.
Yes. How are you doing today?
Fine. You're welcome.
Alright.
Come inside now.
Oh no, I'll be fine here. I'll be fine. The pictures are ready.
Okay, let me see them.
My balance of 10,000 naira first.
What do you mean your balance of 10,000? Let me see the pictures.
This is business transaction. We are not here on a friendly match.
Obimo, don't worry. Just give him the money. Let's see the pictures first. Let's bring the money.
I don't understand this man.
You said your money is how much?
It's 10,000. 10,000.
Look at his face. Still recount this money, it's 10,000, but recount it.
Complete.
It's
Cash.
not complete. Let me confirm.
Come, give me my pictures.
Oh, all right. It's complete. Yes. Thank you.
See.
On the number day, we can go drink.
What is this?
What is what?
Why the pictures blood?
How can you say this about my job?
Why the pictures so blood?
They are okay. They are perfect. Maybe you need a glass like me. These are perfect pictures, very clear.
How can a professional like you snap such rubbish picture?
Don't touch me like that. I am a professional photographer, so you
Professional of my ass. What rubbish
show
is
me
this?
some respect. What's the problem?
Come. Give my money back.
Do you know how much?
Give my money back.
You will fetch my promote.
Give me.
Why? Why waste?
Give my money back.
My camera. Why waste?
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Urebore abatago. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor. Urebore jina abatago. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dey fear at all. She's very gallant. When she snap photo, you go know a professional. When she snap photo, when she snap you photo, you go know a professional. When she snap photo, when she take you photo, you go know a professional. When she snap photo, Prof don't enter our village. Professor of photographer, she don't enter. Nobody will be gang. Check your photo them.
Okay, so you can drop the bag here. You can go.
Mama, how about my money?
Are you asking me that useless question? No. Is it the professor? You're asking that meaningless professor.
So you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I missed you.
I miss you too much.
Papa.
How are you?
Good afternoon.
You did not inform me you were coming back.
Papa, is that supposed to be a welcome to your daughter that just got back home?
My daughter, you're welcome.
Now you're communicating.
Madam, give me my money. Let me go from here.
I don't know how you were able to escape the psychiatric hospital because you're mentally deranged. There is something wrong with you upstairs. You're delusional, you're stupid, and you are a very foolish man. A fool at 40.
What is happening here?
You can say anything you like, but that fool, you must minus it. Give me my money. Let me go out of this place.
Is there something wrong with you upstairs? Oh, I know, you are mad. How dare you speak to me in such manner? Do you know who I am? A professor in the profession. Do you know the calibers of men and women have taken their portraits? Do you understand the level I'm operating in this my business? How dare you insult me? journey of 1 hour, 30 minutes. It took you 6 hours. 6 good hours. Under sun with this your rickety car. Fine body. Stupid engine. Yes, you had the temerity to go and put car hire on it when you know the car is not okay.
Hey!
I was entering car. I wanted comfort. I wanted security. I didn't know I was going close. I was literally moving to my grave. Every pole, one problem. Every pole, one problem. I was pushing car. I was helping. I was sweating profusely. Look at my skin, the way I'm tanned because you kept me under the sun. Unapologetically.
Mr. Man.
I'm asking you a question. Is this how you behave?
Okay.
Is this how you behave?
Biko, one more going my money. Let me go.
Did you hear her?
You know one thing is
Every
that
1 minute, one problem.
you know the problem with all these stupid people. When you're humble, when you're kind and meek, they think you're stupid.
Yes, my daughter.
Only apology would have gotten you your money. And I was complaining inside the car. I kept calm. I said, okay, no problem. When you're done ranting, you come and force your money out of my bag. Now we are here. I am standing my ground that I am not giving you that money. And if you talk too much, I will arrest you.
Yes.
Do not dare me. Don't dare me.
Okay. Ola.
Oga.
I think Ola.
Oga.
Go!
Oga driver. Oga be going.
Papa Professor. You are going to can say babo.
Ego be their problems.
Don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself. See, you should not talk. Nobody should talk to him again. You know what? I think you want to sleep in the police cell. And the thing is, when I lock you up, you will spend your eternity there. I don't just talk. Let me get my proof. I will take a picture of
Oga driver,
so
run,
that
no.
when I call area
Oga driver, run.
once I call area
Ese query.
Oga driver, Wabakwa.
Say your photo. Have you seen a photo of mine?
The professor, I said, professor.
You don't understand. You know sometimes when you're humble, people think you're a fool.
Yes.
You see that useless man? I'm going to deal with him. I'm going to deal with him very well. He had the guts to take my money without doing a good job for me. I will deal with him.
Oh, baby, you shouldn't have fought him now, eh? You know, Oga Paulinus is troublesome. He can't rap your goes away.
What are you saying? Fought him? Can you see the rubbish picture he brought here?
This is the new company. This is the man who encumbered my waist. This is the new company.
You understand, Eka? You're under arrest.
Paulinus, you called the police on me?
You are under arrest for assault and a threat to life. Do you hear me?
Paulinus, you called the police on me?
Yeah, keep quiet. I say you are advised not to make any comment because anything you say will be used against you in the law court. Did you hear me?
Oga Paulinus,
Officer, can you just arrest this man? Let me get out of here.
Oga Paulinus,
Officer,
why did you
what's my
call
offense?
the police for my husband?
Correct me, hand.
Oga Paulinus, why did you call the police for my husband now? Eh?
Paulinus!
Officer, my husband is innocent.
Officer, let me explain myself
please.
now.
Oga Paulinus, what are you doing now?
Oga Paulinus!
Officer, please. My husband is innocent, please. Oga Paulinus,
Paulinus, you called the police on me. For the rubbish you did.
Officer, please, my husband is innocent.
Officer, let me explain now.
Officer, please.
Right, come on, move it.
Officer.
Move!
Officer.
Madam, leave this place. Madam, move.
What I'm telling you is that your daughter is the best. Yeah. As you are looking at me like this, I have come back to reshape this village, to change things in this village. Do you understand? You are looking at the best still photographer, West Africa. I have a plan. There is something I want to do, and when I'm done with that thing, what Guinness Book of Records will know about it?
Hey!
My name is Professor, that's what they call me in the city because you see the plans I have for this village.
Hey! My daughter is speaking.
Yes.
My daughter, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Papa. I want to see the Igwe.
Thank God for you, my daughter.
We have only one photographer in this village, and he has been dealing with our people.
Yes, so.
Sister,
Paulina.
Paulinus is a very wicked man. He does bad jobs. He always quarrels with his customers. At the end of the day, he will arrest all of them all in the police station.
Well, there is something about me. They say poor minds discuss people. Echezona is not poor.
Yes.
In the mind. I don't talk about people. I don't care about people. I don't even want to know who they are because for me, nobody exists. I don't have a matter. The plans I have for this village, how good woski, and I'm going to see Igwe. by the time I'm done with the meeting I want to have with Igwe. Yes, now. I'm reshaping everything in this village. I am reshaping. I'm remodeling. I am rebranding, refurbishing. I said I am the professor in the profession. Call me professor in the profession. Professor in the profession.
Professor in the profession.
Yeah, that's what they call me.
Professor.
Holy
shit,
No, Papa, nothing like that. I'm just going to have a meeting with him and then, of course, if possible, take him portraits that can compete with Obama's portrait. The professor.
I have a daughter.
Yes.
Eh?
You know what? For the meantime, let me show you people what I can do. In position, let me take you. Hey! The professor now!
Mama,
Professor!
Papa.
Is it me or Sadon that can get a baby like you? A daughter like you?
Oh, I know you're proud.
That position,
I'm known to romance. Yes. So this is the time to collabo. Oh, yeah.
Mocha,
Hey, wait now.
Mocha.
Peg. Not like that. Hey, no, don't eat her. Just keep it, Daddy, keep it. Oh yeah, go closer.
Reminding me, the very first day I met Echezona.
Yes. You're welcome to my house. Yes. I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, like I said earlier. Babe. Yes, I am calling to let you know that I just entered town and I'm in my friend's place. I'm going to be here for a while to tidy one or two things before coming down to your village.
Alright. See you soon.
What do you mean by see you soon? So you do not miss me?
Who said I'm not missing you?
But you did not say it. At least you should say I missed you. That's how they do.
Okay, I am sorry. I miss you.
No, I will not take it. I'm the one that forced you to say it. Please, bye-bye. I don't have time for this your nonsense.
Hello?
Can you imagine? Babes, you have to take it easy with him. Take it easy, please. No. Don't tell me to take it easy with him. I know men and their ways. I'm sure he must have been with one of his numerous Eves in the village. You have to calm down. Huh?
Take it easy now. Don't say me turn me into a punching bag. See the way you are beating me. I'm supposed to Pauline's matter paid them to do this. Just look at me.
That man is very, very evil. Obimsi, you will not have anything to do with that man again. You could just let him be.
What did you just say? I should just let go. That man will pay for those pictures. Oh. No, you must pay. My wedding picture. I don't even have one. Not even a clear shot.
See, your life is more important to me than that wedding pictures. You know this man, he has connections with the police. Just slap here, slap here. Eh?
You leave me. That man is very wicked. Do you know that the police didn't even listen to me? It was his word against mine. That man is evil.
Bend down for him, put a little smile here. photo. Ochari mama jeo. Zonso yabu. Onyo say photo. Anything he give us, now waiting we go take you. Our village.
Is Paulinus the photographer? How can I help you? Is the prince in? Yes. Okay. Deliver this to him. Yes, I'll be on my way.
On your safe photo, then no the love for bend down for him, put a little smile here. Ola de kwani fane, come put yourself. On your safe photo, Ochari mama jao, Zonso yabu. On your safe photo, anything he give us, now waiting we go take you. Our village, now only photographer. You know that any nonsense.
What nonsense is this? No, I cannot take this. What not? Father, take a look at this. Yes.
Who did this?
Father, the same photographer that covered my welcome party.
But I was told it's good.
Now you can see how good he is. He messed things up for me.
This is nonsense. This is rubbish. God! God! I want the photographer here right now. He must explain to me why he should do this kind of work for the royal family. What nonsense? Go immediately.
What is this? Father, I cannot take this. He must be called to come here and explain to me why he messed things up for me.
Honestly, this is rubbish. This is rubbish.
Excuse me, Father.
This is an insult to this royal house. Can't be insult. Anyway, let me wait until he comes and explain himself. What is this? Huh? Huh? Look at. Huh? Just look at.
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Orebo original. Abatago. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dey fear at all.
Hello. Beautiful girls. How are you doing?
Fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Echezona. Echezona, the photographer. A special kind of photographer. I take all manner of pictures. I cover events. So, I am a professor in my profession. I am the best, second to none. Best among the bests. So I'm back to this village to make a change. What is your name?
My name is Amaka. I am Joy.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. I am back to improve our social lives. In fact, enough of the talk. Let me show you guys what I can do.
Oh my God.
Give me your pose. Let me take a picture. Smile. Okay, see what I got. See what I got.
Oh.
Okay, let me take another one. Let me take another one. Okay, back yourselves. Back each other.
That's most beautiful photograph. Excuse me.
Yes, hello.
How are you, boy? Are you a dancer? Because the combination. I like what you're putting on anyways.
Wow. Thank you.
Join them, let me take your picture. Be in the middle. Yeah, Steve's composure. You can booga if you want. Smile, smile. I need to see your teeth. Come close. Come close. 3 of you come together. No, go back. I mean, go close to each other.
Bend down for him, put a little smile here. Cherry mama Joe, Zonso Yabu, on your safe photo. Anything he give us, now waiting we go take you. Far village, now only photographer.
Good afternoon, Oga Paulinus.
Come here. Good afternoon, Oga Paulinus.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, you're welcome. What can I do for you?
Sir, we want to take passports for our JAMB registration.
Price now for passports. It is no longer 800 naira for 4 copies, but 2,000. Yes.
2,000.
Oga Paulinus, could you please take 800 from us? Maybe when next...
Shut up! Are you not in this country? Don't you know that there is inflation everywhere? The materials are costly in the market. You're telling me if it is not 2,000, you get out? Yes!
Obinna,
yeah?
Let's go.
Go where? We need this passport. Sir, we'll pay.
Sit down here. Let me finish. I'm coming.
On your safe photo, bend down for him, put a little smile here.
What is her name?
Me?
Yes.
Obinna, sir.
Obinna who?
She goes here.
What is her name?
My name is Tobechukwu Ukebu.
Tobechukwu Ukebu. So come over here for your payment.
This.
You, sit over there.
Oh.
You.
Me?
Yes.
G. My G.
And make sure your head is straight, like this. Put your leg off from there. Oh, I told you to sit. I told you to sit. Sit down and put your head straight like this. Remove this hand and keep it straight. Keep it straight. Oh, what? Don't you know that I have something I'm doing? Don't you know? Put your head straight like this. I don't waste my time. What is your problem? I simply sit down, put your head straight, you can do it. I'm busy here.
What is the meaning of this? No, what is the meaning of this? Why would you slap me like that?
Sit down.
As a matter of fact, I'm done.
Sit down.
I'm not taking again.
If you're not taking again, take your sticky self out of this place. Do you think I'm here to joke? You. Take over.
You say?
I said take over.
Oga Paulinus, the picture that my friend has taken is okay for me. I love everything you did now. The positioning, everything is perfect for me. I don't want to snap again. Please, just give me back my money. That's what I want, please.
How no? Which section of the law was it written that there is refundable of money after payment? Tell me, which section or which subsection was it written? No refund of money after payment. If you are not interested any longer, then you go home, or I get both of you arrested. Is that clear?
Oga Paulinus, we are not living here until you give us back our money.
Are you threatening me? No. Are you threatening me?
Well, we're not leaving. You give us back.
You know who I am? Paulinus, aka Poly Bombastic. Paulinus, aka the man with the top gun. Since you are here for trouble, I will give you trouble. Just wait for the police.
Right.
Just wait right here. You will hear from the police. No, you should have stayed back. No, come back here, come back and contend with me.
What's that?
No. You know how the police arrest in a kind of business like this. After I have done my job, you are coming here to give me back your money? When you cannot even straighten your head, very good for my peso. Nonsense. Don't worry. You think I'm here for jokes? If I'm here for jokes, I know the better place to be. Perhaps I would have been in OP Worker or somewhere in Ariaria playing with people there. I'm a serious businessman. You look at my precious camera has been wasted. The piezo, even the lens. Let me reduce the lens. Nonsense. I made a whole shop. If it is in US, it is called dollar bill. This is the money I'm looking forward for. More people, more customers, come one, come two. Let me clean. These people are the most craziest people I've ever seen. That's why I hate human beings. I like animals. Animals are such agreeable friends. They are cancelled.
He is not picking his call. I have called him more than 10 times now and he is not picking. I am sure he is someone, that is why he's not picking his call. Yes, he is someone. I know what to do. Nonsense. Bish, what's up with you? Cindy, I am upset. I don't know why this guy keeps upsetting me all the time. Why?
So, what is it again this time around?
Cindy, could you believe that I've been calling him up to 10 minutes now and he is not picking up? Who does that?
Anita, you have to take it easy. Give him some time. Probably he might be busy with work or he's not with his phone.
Please, don't tell me to take it easy with him. I know him. This guy does not stay away from his phone. I know what I'm saying.
Anita, you have to calm down. Calm down, please. Give him some time. He will return your calls.
That is not true, Cindy. Yes. I have been calling him. He's not picking. And you're telling me to calm down. He will return my call just like that? What makes you think so? You think he will do that? Girlfriend, he will not do it. Yes. He's with a woman. Udonna, I know, cannot stay an inch away from his phone.
Bess, please stop. Don't say this.
Please, I've already sent him a message already. Yes, I've done that. He has to explain to me why he is not picking my calls.
Anita, you're not supposed to do that.
Okay, I've done it already.
I heard my phone ring. Oh, Anita. Oh, she sent a text. Let's move it. I know you are with a woman. That is why you are not picking my calls. Fine. Keep it up. We shall iron it out when I come over. But for now, do not call because I will not pick. What kind of a nonsense is this? What has come over her?
Bend down for him, put a little smile here. Comfort yourself, put yourself on Mama Joe. Sonso yabu, on yourself.
Father, has the photographer reported here?
The guard I sent to go and fetch him is not yet back.
What could be keeping him?
I don't know.
He ought to have been back by now.
Exactly. Oh.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Where is he?
She's outside.
She? Did I hear you say she?
Yes, Your Majesty. She.
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor.
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my prince. My king, permit me to introduce myself. My name is Echezona, Eche the photographer. My king, as a matter of fact, I snap pictures for a living. I've taken so many good portraits of men of power, women of influence, and all of that. I was on my way coming to the palace to pay you a visit, my king, before I met the guard on the road and he told me that you summoned me. It's an honor to be in your presence, my king.
But this is not the person I asked to go and fetch.
You said a photographer. I met her on the road, snapping some people and
Hey, you must be very, very stupid. Right? Are you new in this town that you do not know the village photographer?
I'm sorry, my prince.
That sorry will kill you. It will kill you, alright? Leave my presence and fetch that idiot that messed up my pictures. Now!
Yes, my prince.
My prince.
Hey, shut up. Isn't it obvious that you're not the person summoned to this palace? Please leave! I am not in good mood.
Don't know. Let her be. Huh? You heard her said she was on her way to this place before the guard met her on the way.
It doesn't stop the fact that she is not a photographer.
But let us hear why she's here.
Thank you for the privilege, my king. My prince, I can understand your feeling. Your feelings are valid. That's why Echezona is back to this village. To give people joy, happiness, undiluted happiness, value for their money. I am here to make a difference. Thank you, my king. My prince, relax. It's gonna be
Photographer don't enter. Professor. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not the fear.
That man needs to refund us. As a matter of fact, he must refund us. Eh? What kind of wickedness is this now? See the slap he gave to me just to direct me on how to position myself. What kind of a thing is this?
Tobe, if you want a refund, you go back to his shop alone. Count me out. It is better for us to go to our neighboring village, take our passport in peace. I do not want to make trouble with Paulinus. I beg, I don't have energy for him.
Tobe, what's the look? Why are you ranting? What is it?
Is it not that wicked man that calls himself a photographer? Paulinus or whatever he calls himself.
What has he done this time?
You needed to see the slap that he gave to me this hot afternoon, just to position me. Eh? Listen, when I got angry and stood up and told him that we are no longer interested in snapping the passport, he said that that our money is not refundable. Can you imagine that? That he cannot refund us, blah blah blah. Can you imagine this?
On top your own money again.
On top of our own money.
That man, he's so troublesome. He loves trouble too much. If you make further troubles with him now, he will arrest you.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Who doesn't know him? Thank God we now have another photographer in Umoku.
Yeah.
A professor in photography.
Well, are you serious?
Yes.
Did you say a professor?
Yes.
We were with her not long ago. Guess what? Her camera is sharp, nice than that Paulinus of a man's camera. Yeah, she took some snapshots on us before the guard walked in and told her that she was needed by the Igwe. Maybe by now she'll be at the palace.
This is good news, Obinna.
Good news.
I suggest we go to the palace immediately. I cannot withstand seizing the same opportunity to report that wicked man to the Igwe. Paulinus or Genikan appear. But let's get going.
I would like to see her again.
You want to come with us? Let's go now.
This is pure wickedness. Can you imagine how you messed up everything with my son. That day is supposed to be a wonderful day, in fact, a memorable day, but you messed up everything. Huh?
My king, I'm sorry. The fault is not from me. It's from the camera. The pixel is not functioning very well. And you can agree with me that things in the market are so exorbitant. If you have visited the level market, you will understand what I'm saying. I've tried several times to change this camera, but because of this, I have the macro, which is this camera, but I don't have the micro. That's the problem.
Can you see how wicked you are? You knew your camera is faulty and you decided to use it for me.
I'm so sorry.
That sorry will kill you. It will kill you, but I promise you, you're going to pay for this. You will pay damages.
My prince, please, there will be no need for that. This is a clear case of unprofessionalism. This is what you get from an amateur. I want you to also understand that people cannot give what they don't have. Look at the camera. I mean, everything around him should tell you that he might not be able to give you a quality picture. Not because he doesn't want, but because he might not know how or have the right equipment to do all of that. So my name is Echezona, like I rightly said, and I am here to make a difference. I am here to show our people love, promote our culture, and give them good pictures. That's why I'm here.
You are welcome back, my daughter.
Thank you.
I know that our people will be so proud of you.
No, they will not just be proud of me, they will enjoy my services. I can as well do some upgrade class for people like him, because men looking at him, you know he's passionate. But he just needs to, upgrade in small areas. And for the mistake he made, don't worry, I would make a difference. I'll handle it. So, when you were coming out unaware, I took you some pictures. I would like to show you. If you like it, all you need to do is to wear the same costume on that picture so I can retake the pictures for you. So, this is the picture I took when you were coming out.
This is nice.
It should be nice.
Very, very nice.
The professor took it. Yes, I'm proud of my work. This is what I do for a living.
Are you letting him go, Father? Just like that?
Let him go. Let him go.
Not even a gratitude of thanks to the person that secured his freedom.
Hey. I'm here for our people. This is one of the services I'll be rendering. Humanity.
Bend down for him, put a little smile here.
I really can't wait to meet this professor. Hey! But come, are you sure she's here already?
Yes, now she's here. One of us should look at the gate.
Tobe, would go mena? Okay, Kibo. Konakana. Knock more kwaka. I should knock. What happened to your hand? Huh? My friend should be the one to knock. So knock, let's go inside.
We're only here to see Eche. Please knock, that's all.
I know now, ma'am.
Oh, my man! Hey, why are they running? And what have you people come here to do? Nothing?
Yes.
These two that ran off were in my studio not quite long ago. All of a sudden, both of you are here with them. And you're telling me nothing?
Sir, we are here to see Echezona.
Echezona?
Yes, sir.
Who is Echezona?
The professor of photography.
No, don't run away. Who is she?
We don't know her. We just met her on the road this afternoon.
We don't know her.
You don't know her?
Yes.
But you brought Obina and Tobe with you to come and see the same person you don't know. No, come.
Hey! Why are you running?
As if I was the only one that ran. The way You started the run first now. And then I joined you now. Do you know I could have as well stopped if you did not come with me? Eh? You that was running and you're not even noticing that I'm following you. And you're telling me that if I stopped, how will you notice if I stopped? And you're saying that if I stop. Hey. You know what? I think we should go back to that palace. You see, those girls will think both of us were cowards. And you see me, eh? Obina, I am not a coward. Eh?
I am not a coward. You are not a coward. So we should go back to Oga Paulinus up here. Obina, you and I know that man is terrible. What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Tobe, the way you took off immediately you saw Paulinus. Eh? It shocked me, eh? It shocked me, girl.
You should laugh at yourself. You should laugh at yourself too, yes. Anyways, I'm going back to the palace.
Eh?
Yes. I need to see that professor with my 2 eyes.
You're going back to the palace?
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Tobe, wait for me now.
You said you're not a coward. Okay? You can go back to Oga Paulinus now. Me?
Yeah, let's go together. Yeah.
I need to see professor with my eyes. Do you know what that is about?
Thank you, my king.
Right.
Come together. Put a smile on your face.
God, go and check who's at the gate.
Ah, this is amazing.
God, let them in.
My friend, open this door. Come back. What just? We swap Diana with this one in me.
I know those two, they are my friends.
Yes, Professor. Thank you.
How are you?
Thank you, my friend.
We brought our brothers here so you can help them.
For what exactly?
Why are you here?
Your Highness, we heard that the prof is here and we've come to see.
Please, we need your help. We paid Paulinus money for our passports, for our JAMB registration. While he was bullying my friend Tobe, we told him we don't want to snap again, that he should refund us. He said the money we paid is non-refundable. I don't know where that one happens though. Please, we need your help. Can you take us the passport? It's important for our JAMB registration. Please.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that Paulinus collected money from you and refused to refund you?
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince. He claimed the money is not refundable. As a matter of fact, he threatened to lock us up in the police dungeon. Should we insist on him refunding us, my prince? My prince, you needed to see the slap. He slapped the daylight out of me. He's such a bully, my prince.
But do you hear that? Paulinus. Please, I am really sorry for the bullying and also for the slap. As for your money, you will get it in 10 folds, okay?
Thank you, my prince.
My prince, I don't think you would have to bother Mr. Paulinus. I don't want him to start seeing me as a threat. He's already seen me as one. For your pictures, I promise I am going to take the passport free of charge. Yes, you don't have to pay. Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When I said I'm back to make a difference, this is what I'm talking about. So please, don't bother him. Don't bother him. I would have even taken the pictures here, but I need white background, so we would have to go to my house for the pictures.
White is better than red.
Yes.
Red is danger. Yes. White is peace.
Who is that girl? Where is she from? She said she's a professor. What is her mission in this village? Wait a minute. Let it not be what I'm thinking. No. I have to find out who she is first, so that I will know how to strike or where to come from. I think it is when I know who she is, then the solution will be within. I think that is what I'm going to do. How can someone from nowhere enter this village and claim professorship under my watch? Me, Polly Popo, the polybombastic, aka the man with the top gun. No, it's not possible. Of course you know. It's not possible. I know it's not possible. A professor, and then who am I? If a little girl could claim professorship in my profession.
Oh, Dogunwoke. I greet you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Please sit down before you crucify me. You're welcome. Yes.
The only Paulina's photography.
That's right.
Paulina's photo.
Yes. So what can I do for you?
Yes, so I have come to book a date. Yes, for my granddaughter's birthday party coming up next week Saturday.
Good. I hope you know the new price of things today. A picture is 2,000 naira. Yes.
That is too much.
It is not too much. Considering the things, the way they are in the market, everything has inflated. There is nothing you can go to the market to ask for the price and they will tell you the normal price. It is inflation in the high side. Yes. Not to worry. Because of you, I may have to consider you in some certain way if you come up a little bit. Yes.
Anyway, you don't need any deposit.
Of course, the deposit, if you come up with anything you can offer, then I will now tell you the amount that I will collect at the end.
I will give you 5,000 naira now.
Oh, that is a way too poor. For your sake, like I said, I'm going to collect 10,000 naira. Nothing more, nothing less. Because of you.
Paulina.
And you need to do some certain commitment so that I book a date down for you and your people.
Okay, no problems. Let me call my son.
Okay. You want to make a call?
Let me call my son.
Okay, let me make some arrangements. Okay. I have to keep it down.
When did you come back? How far my guy now? I came back yesterday. I was at your place not too long ago. Your mom said you went out.
Yes, I went to take passport at Paulino's place for my jam.
Okay, your jam registration, right? Yes. She actually told me about that too. How is it going now?
It's okay, everything is fine. How is your wife and Favor?
They're all fine. At least you can see tomorrow is Favor's birthday and we are preparing for the whole event. My father went to see Oga Paulinus concerning the photography for the event.
Yeah? Did you say Paulinus?
Yes, now.
Iduka, why Paulinus? See, we have a new and better photographer in this village now. She is a professor in her field. She can do it better than Oga Paulinus. Oga Paulinus that uses outdated camera. You don't want the pictures to come out well. She has better lens. If you snap in her, automatically edited.
Are you sure about yours?
Yes. See, just tell your father to come back. Tell him to come back.
Papa? Hello, Papa.
Undoka, Paulina said it's now 2,000 naira per copy. And he said I will need to pay a deposit of 10,000 naira instead of the 5,000 naira you gave me. Huh?
Papa, 2,000 naira. Papa, that's too much now, Papa. Eh? No, Papa, just wait first.
But to come back, let him come back first.
Should I pay him?
Papa, you know what? Just come back first, please, so we can discuss about this very well.
Okay, I'm coming back home now.
Alright, Papa. Now, wow, what did Papa say? He said 10,000 naira.
It's better you told him to come back home. That man, with outdated lens, he might come down and start beating all of us, beating people with dead camera.
But are you sure? It's not about this one yet. Are you sure that this person can cover this event well? Because I don't want any amateur there.
Look, are you doubting me? See, if you want me to take you to her place now, I will take you to her compound. She's very good in what she's doing. And see, she has a better camera, not that dead camera that I used to carry up and down. This one is good camera, good lens, good pictures.
Yeah, so she can cover the whole event very well.
Should I take you to her place now?
But wait first, let Papa come back first now.
Yeah,
just wait first. I don't want to be in a haste, but let Papa come back. We can know what we do. Sure you understand?
You drop me at home now, or you want me to be trekking back home?
Ayana, no, now you're my man now.
Hey, Lequelo.
My son said I should come back home.
Why? Oh, is it about the money? Okay, I have reduced it to 1,800, but you know, it is 2,000. It is just the same price everywhere you go to for people that are serious in business.
Okay. Let me go home and see him first.
Oh, there is no need for that. You are the one who made call to your son and told him that I increased the money. You still make the same call right now and tell him that I've reduced it. It's as simple as that. That is what we call communicate.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. He said I should come home and see him. So I need to go there first.
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
Well, you have to make deposit here first.
But I told you my son is the one that sent me to come and book a date for him. Now he said I should come back home. And you are trying to block me. You are trying to stop me.
I know the law. I know the law. I'm not stopping you. I'm here for business.
We don't see shege upon our money. You dey give me command. No be only photo where I say make you snap me. Celebrity photographer, take am easy, no go. Obodo fugiwa, nkatolo godi. Abozikwa photo. Only him na the only photographer. Anything he give us, now waiting we go take for our village.
Ugo, what took you so long?
I stopped by to see my friend Joy. Hey, Papa, have you heard about the new photographer in our village? They said she's the daughter of Mr. Osadebe from Amago clan. They even call her the professor.
A woman?
Yes, so. As I'm speaking to you, people are trooping in and out of our father's compound to see her.
This would be a very big challenge to Paulinus.
Well, Papa, the villagers are happy. What about my husband?
He stepped out a few minutes ago.
Yeah, okay. Let me quickly rush to the kitchen and make something. I know you must be hungry.
Very well then. A female photographer in Umuokpo Royal Kingdom. This will be very interesting. I can't wait to see it. Let me call this my friend whose phone is always saying network failure. Hey, let me gist him what I just heard. Female photographer.
The professor. The professor. The professor. That is what that is echoing in this village now. Even the small children that I know when they were born are singing about her. The little girl. They say she's from Amago clan. The daughter of one Mr. Osadebe. Paulinus. Are you going to sit here in the name of doing your business and the little girl from nowhere will ruin the business that you've built over the years? The answer is no. I am going to make her leave this village forever. Does she know who I am? Paulinus, aka Polybombastic. Paulinus, aka the man with the top gun. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Let us call it a day. Let's call it a day. As she is a professor, I have to be something bigger than professor.
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Professor. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor. Original Abatago. She's mother.
This is her place. Are you sure we are at the right place? 100% sure. This is her place. Knock. The father is already out. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my children. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Sir, you are Mr. Osadebe, right?
Yes, I'm Mr. Osadebe.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm Chief Hilary's son. My name is Unduka.
How are you? How's your father?
Hey, Obi Nasa.
Obi?
Hey, Daddy.
Can you sit down, please?
Oh,
Sir, we are here to see your daughter, the professor.
Oh. She's really not around now. She went out. But do you have a message? You can drop it. When she come back, I'll tell her.
Okay, sir. Next week Sunday is my daughter's birthday, so we want her to come cover the event for us.
That's a good one. In that case, you have to come back tomorrow morning. When she comes back, I'll tell her that you will be coming back tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. That would be nice.
That's great. Wonderful.
All right, now. Thank you, sir. We'll take our leave now.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hey, sorry, sir.
It's okay. Please, don't forget to say that to your father.
I will, sir.
And what's that name again? Remind me.
My name is Unduka, sir.
Unduka. It's okay.
All right, sir.
Great thing for me. Obi. I can't forget. I can't forget your name. Your name is very obvious.
Yes.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right,
All right,
we'll come back tomorrow, sir. Yes, I will tell her. She'll be waiting, eh? That's good. That's good. That's good. This girl is great. Professor. This girl. She'll go high.
When the going is going good. Come back. If you see somebody with
Paulinus, thank God I met you at home. Thank God.
Udoka, is everything alright?
Paulinus, everything is not alright. Everything is not alright. Who is this professor everywhere I go? Eh? Paulinus, she's taking over your business. I'm just coming from Odogu's burial. Her name is on everyone's lips. And everybody is madly in love with her.
Udoka, Udoka, can it be here that someone from nowhere can just come to the village and begin to take over my business from me? The answer is no, it cannot happen. Yes!
Paulinus, Paulinus, from what I saw this afternoon, nobody is calling your name again. Oh. It is Professor, Professor, Professor. If you think nothing is happening, make I warn you, Paulinus, something has already happened. See me, oh. I just said, let me tell you, I'm going.
Udoka, wait a minute. Do you know who I am? I am Paulinus, aka Polybombastic. Paulinus, aka the man with the top gun. Do you know what that means? This is camera that I'm holding. I will tell you something about this camera. You are seeing the camera, very simple, but when you tilt it this way, it rears up. There is secret inside this camera that brings the picture clear to the people. That's who I am. Very smooth on the surface, but poisonous on the tail. I am going to work.
Okay.
So you can go your home.
Paulinus, I'm just talking, a stitch in time saves 9.
There is nothing to save in this one. There is no 9 to save. The 9
don't enter. Professor. Urebore abatago. Professor. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor. Urebore Gina abatago. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dey fear at all. She's very gallant, when she snap photo, you go know a professional. When she snap photo, when she snap you photo, you go know a professional.
My daughter, I hope she is fine wherever she is.
Ma.
Hi.
Ma. How are you? I'm good. Are you okay? Where is Papa?
Your father stepped out.
Mama, these are village people are very happy people. I had an amazing day. I guess this is my busiest day. Everybody was just taking pictures, They are lovely people. I'm glad I'm back home.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your father stepped out.
Why is your face like that? You changed. You changed. Why?
My daughter, you have to be very, very careful in this village. I had a terrible dream just now. We were kidnapped. Why are you laughing? This is not a laughing matter. Okay, come. Come and touch my chest. My heart is pounding. Can you see that?
Mama, stop it. Stop. Stop getting scared.
Mama, as I am, I'm a professor, digital photographer, audio number, one of one photographer, the only digital photographer in this village. I am unquenchable. I am unstoppable. No man, no woman can intimidate me. I'm not scared of anybody. As a matter of fact, I've not even started. I can well put the things. When I'm done bringing out the things I have in stock, oh yeah, Dikeh. So you don't have to be scared. Nothing will happen to me. As long as my hands are clean, Mama, nothing will happen to me.
You're just troubled.
You don't have to be troubled. Mama, see, I'm like water. Water doesn't even have enemy. But if you decide to be water's enemy, that's your business. Because at the end of the day, you must drink water. Tell me, who can survive without water? Nobody. Nobody. That's how I am. Who can survive without the professor? You want to talk about clear picture, quality picture, good picture, affordable picture? Professor. So you don't have to bother yourself. I'm expecting some guests this evening, so I want to freshen up. And Mama, listen. Adama Achoku, my hands are clean. I don't look for anybody's trouble. But if you try me, the person will call out to.
No, welcome.
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor.
We've heard a lot about you and how fantastic you are in doing your job. That is why we decided to come pay you a visit.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
I am a digital photographer, the professor, the best among the best, second to none. As a matter of fact, I came back to this village because I want to improve the socio-culture of this village. Yes, I can't lie to you. Wow. And Igwe has even approved it.
Hey. See, we are happy to see you. We didn't know we have such a person like you in this village.
Daddy, what's up? You know what's up. When you see somebody that is of high quality and value, you notice. I'll be in your house on Saturday to pay you a visit.
Hey! Thank you very much. Professor, so how much does a copy cost?
You see, the thing about this thing I'm doing is more of a passion for me than mere business making, money making venture. So I'm supposed to take 1,000 naira per copy, but I'll do 800.
100.
No, not 200. This is about 2,000.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Echezona, my daughter. She is not like that other man, Paulinus.
See, I don't even know who you're talking about, but the truth is, I am the best.
Yes.
You cannot compare me to anybody. Before you people leave, let me give you one shot.
Free photo.
Daddy, I want you to give me your style, like with your smile. I want your smile. I want you to smile.
Like this?
Yes. Go closer. Go closer. Wait. Let's see. Yes. Keep that smile on. Keep it on.
Another style.
Another, okay, go closer. Okay. Move closer. Maintain your, I want your steeze and composure to be like 100%.
Yes, correct.
Do you understand? And put a smile on your face, chin up a bit. Daddy, chin down a bit. Yeah, bring it down. More like it. Look at me. Now look at me. Okay, smile. Yeah, that is it. Keep it there. Keep it there. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's yeah.
Hey, Papa!
You are such a handsome man.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you.
So this is just a promo of what I can do.
Thank you very much.
No lights, so nothing. No. My camera, the software inside it.
Hey, Papa, you need to see her picture quality. Top notch.
That in his computer.
Hey, Papa.
Very clean. Clear.
With fine poses. See the way you are posing, Papa, in that picture. Hey, Papa.
You saw that style I applied. You know, it's on her own picture.
Yes.
Professor's picture. It's just like a computer. Very clear.
Papa, not like some people. I know some olden days photographers.
That one, he's an archaic photographer now. Professor is.
Papa. I bet take it easy, Papa.
It's cough.
Hey, Papa. Papa, we don't need to waste time. No time again. Papa.
Let me show you that land I'm talking about.
Okay, Papa, now let's go now. Let's no time before it happens.
Bend down for him, put a little smile here.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take the bag inside. Your father is waiting.
I can't wait to see him.
She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful, but she not dey fear at all. She's very gallant, when she snap photo, you go know a professional. When she snap photo, when she snap you photo, you go know.
This is so beautiful.
I'm glad you love it, my king.
I love it. You are indeed a professor in this your field.
Yes, I am a professor in the profession.
Original one, no.
Thank you.
You are original. So how much is everything?
Igwe, you don't have to bother yourself. It's a gift from me to you and the prince.
Really? That is good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Igwe. That is my breath.
My son.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How is your mother?
Fine, Your Majesty. She sends her regards.
Father, let her freshen up first. She had a long journey.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
I love this.
I'm glad you do. My king, permit me to take my leave.
May the gods of our land bless your business.
Igwe, it is a profession or a career, not a business, my king.
All the same, you will prosper.
Amen. He said.
Who are you? What are you doing here? And I ask again, who are you?
I said I'm here to see the king. Well, if you must know my name is Echezona, the professor. The best photographer in the whole West Africa. The records are there. So, I'm here to see the king.
I demand to know who are you to this family and to the prince.
You must very stupid to ask me such question. What gave you the temerity, the impetus to ask me such? Who are you again, if I may ask?
Thank you for asking. I am Anita, Princess Fiance. So I demand to know who you are to my man.